fired my pistol. Did you get it?
For what?
Officers conduct a late-night traffic stop after observing multiple driving violations. What starts as a routine DUI investigation quickly becomes a tense and unpredictable encounter.
Not wasting my time. I'm on the clock.
Okay. You caught me in the middle of...
The middle of what?
It's just after 1 a.m. in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, where a routine traffic stop is about to spiral completely out of control.
Hi, good evening, Ms. Gilbert. I'm Officer Flank, Palm Beach Gardens Police Department. How you doing tonight?
There you go.
Here I go. Okay, not doing too well?
No, he asked for that.
Well, he asked for it. Let me take a look at it here. Where you come from, Nut?
1209 Lake House Drive in Lost Village.
1209 Lighthouse Drive?
Lake House.
Lake House Drive? Where's that at?
In Lost Village.
Okay. Yeah, this is a certificate of title, and this is a service receipt. And this insurance card expired 3 years ago. You still live on Lake House Drive over there? That address you just said?
1209 Lake House.
Okay. This registration's expired.
I think that
Ms. Gilbert, have you had anything to drink tonight?
No, I answered this. I'm having a PTSD, so...
From what?
From what?
Yeah.
Being raped when I was a child.
I'm sorry to hear that. Why would this trigger
I'm
that?
asking for help. This is not triggering it, but I'm trying to get to my boyfriend's house, so just please.
Okay. So you haven't had anything to drink?
No.
No cannabis, no narcotics?
Oh.
Okay. All right, if you would go and step out of the vehicle and make sure you're not under the influence, and we'll have you on your way, all right? To make sure you're not under the influence.
Officers identify the driver as 27-year-old Anna Gilbert, pulled over for speeding and improperly stopping at a stop sign. But what happens next will shock you.
You're not allowed to? What do you mean? Why aren't you allowed to?
I'm not allowed to at this point.
Why?
My dad's a lawyer,
Your dad's a lawyer?
and I'm not allowed to.
Okay, well, even as a lawyer, he would tell you if you're ordered out of a vehicle that you have to comply. Okay?
He's told me otherwise.
No, he wouldn't tell you that you don't have to come out if you're told to.
I mean, he's a piece of shit, so...
That's what it sounds like he would say. Yeah, he's giving you bad information. So if you would go and step out, if you're not under the influence, you'll be on your way.
Okay.
All right, so
but
come on
I'm
out.
not allowed to, so... We can do whatever. I can park here. We can do whatever, but...
No, go ahead and step out.
I'm not allowed to.
Why are you not allowed to? Here, let me just leave this over here. Explain to me why you're not allowed to.
He'll kill me.
He's not going to kill you. He would tell you, if he was giving you sound legal advice, he'd tell you when you're ordered out of a vehicle to step out.
Yeah, I'm sure.
So this is the last time I'm going to ask you.
I'm sure he's wrong, but I'm not allowed to.
All right, so come on out.
But I'm sure I'll be charged with that.
Come on out.
I'm not allowed to.
Come on out of the vehicle.
car, you will not be charged with
I'm not allowed to.
Last chance.
I'm not allowed to.
All right, come on out. Come on out. Come on over here.
If you've ever gotten terrible legal advice from family, hit subscribe. Because Anna's night is about to get a whole lot worse.
Do you have any medical condition with your eyes not corrected by glasses? What do you got?
I get seizures, myoclonic seizures.
Okay, what does that have to do with your eyes?
Lights.
What about it? We don't have any flashing lights on in the front.
I don't know. Myoclonic seizures.
Okay. Do you have anything else with your eyes besides seizures?
No.
Are you able to walk a straight line?
Yes.
Can you balance on one foot?
Yes.
All right. You want to bring your feet together for me? Hands at your sides. Do you see this red light here? You're going to follow the red light with your eyes only, and you're going to keep your head still. Do you understand?
Yes.
Don't move your head. Keep your head still. What's going on?
Big deep breaths, Anna.
Do we have to call fire rescue?
Anna, do you need paramedics?
My best to hold it together.
I can't understand you.
I tried my best to hold it together.
You passed what?
I tried my best to hold it together.
For what?
You need paramedics, Anna? Okay. Let's know when you're ready.
Can I just lay down? It's a trick.
Go ahead.
Anna drops to the ground mid-test claiming a PTSD episode, but she refuses paramedics, leaving officers stuck between compassion and investigation.
All right, Ms. Gilbert, let me explain something, all right? This episode that you're having, while I understand that it might be genuine, we still have an investigation to do.
No, just give me.
The more you're exasperating, I can smell the odor of an unknown alcoholic beverage coming off of your breath. So we got something to do here,
Give me 2 minutes.
and if you got to go to the hospital, we can continue the investigation there.
2 minutes.
Ms. Gilbert, do you wish to do the exercises with me?
Yes, 1 second.
All right, if you would come to your feet, please. I still have to do the pen light test, all right? So go ahead and stand right there where the red light's at. All right, feet together, hands at your sides. All right, the instructions are the same as before. Follow the red light with your eyes only and keep your head still.
I won't get it in here. I'm not gonna.
All right, I'm make some circles around your face. Follow with your eyes. I'm coming real close to your nose. Allow your eyes to cross, okay? Make sure you're following.
Despite multiple opportunities to complete sobriety tests, the driver repeatedly refuses to cooperate. Bodycam footage shows how investigations can become complicated when compliance breaks down.
Same thing. All right, give me 1 second. Go ahead and just wave at that officer right there. All right, Ms. Gilbert, if you would come on over here for me. Go ahead and place your left foot on the line over there.
Officers set up tape across the road to begin the walk and turn test.
Place your left foot on the line, please. Now place your right foot in front, heel touching toe. Arms at your sides. Or hold that position. Don't start until I tell you to. When I tell you to begin, I want you to take 9 heel to toe steps, just like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way up till 9. Imagine this is your 9th step. Leave this front foot where it's at. Take a series of small steps to turn around. Go ahead and get back into the position for me, please. Take the series of small steps to turn around, and then take 9 heel to toe steps back. All right, it's important that once you start, you don't stop. You keep your arms at your sides and you count your steps out loud. Do you have any questions? Do you know what you got to do? All right, go ahead and begin. Do you remember what you were instructed to do?
9 steps.
9 heel to toe steps, and then what? Then the turnaround that I showed you, and 9 heel to toe steps back.
What do you think? Is Anna genuinely struggling or deliberately avoiding the test? Drop your answer in the comments below.
All right, for this next exercise, it's gonna be the 1 leg stand, all right? You can go ahead and step off the line. You don't have to worry about the yellow line no more. All right, so go ahead and just stand right in front of me right there. Right where the flashlight's at. Or you can just stand. You can just stand right there too. That's fine too. Okay, so go ahead and just bring your feet together for me.
Whatever. You guys are over it. Do whatever you have to do.
We're still giving you a chance. What are you talking about?
Shake your head. I need to.
I'm not shaking my head. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and bring your feet together just like mine are.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry to waste your time.
Not wasting my time. I'm on the clock.
Okay. You caught me in the middle of...
The middle of what?
You look back in your fucking video footage. I told you.
No, you didn't tell me anything. I don't know what you're talking about. Do you wish to continue the exercises, ma'am?
Fine, just give me... Does anybody have any tips?
Anybody have what?
I need tips.
Tips?
Deal with this.
To deal with what? The exercises?
Look back at your footage.
I don't understand what you're asking for help with.
How to deal with this?
To deal with what?
PTSD.
To deal with
Rape,
PTSD?
like I just told you.
You didn't tell us that.
Well,
I told him.
I would suggest that you seek counseling for that, but during a DUI investigation isn't the time to deal with that.
It was not during it.
No, I'm saying...
You walked up to me and I told you all.
Okay, and that's not what I said to you. I said I suggest you seek counseling for that, but during a DUI investigation is not the time to deal with it.
Not during...
This is a
Look
DUI
back!
investigation.
Look back!
Okay, I'm gonna ask you one last time, Ms.
Look
Gilbert.
back in your footage.
Do you
It's
wish to
all
participate in standardized field sobriety
there.
exercises?
It's all there.
Are you going to stand up and do these exercises? Yes or no, ma'am?
Yes.
If this footage is as wild as you think, smash that like button. Trust me, the arrest is even crazier.
All right. So when you're ready, go ahead and stand up.
I started female. Get a female officer, so I was
Just have them go around.
Come on, let's go.
Ms. Gilbert. Ms. Gilbert, we were trying to do an investigation here.
No. Okay.
Stand up.
Please come to your feet.
Okay.
Bring your feet together, hands at your sides. This is going to be the one leg stand. Hands at your sides. All right. I'm going to explain, then I'm going to demonstrate. So hold all your questions until the end. Okay, go ahead and let's stand upright.
Take a big deep breath.
When I tell you to begin and not before then, you're going to raise 1 foot, either foot, approximately 6 inches off the ground. It's about the height of a soda can. While you're doing that, you're going to keep both knees straight. You're going to point the toes of your raised foot out at me. You're going to look down at your raised foot and you're going to count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop. The whole time your hands are going to be at your sides. If you place your foot down during 30 seconds, just pick it back up and continue where you left off. It's going to go just like this. Watch me. 1001,
Yeah, I need
1002, 1003.
I need you to repeat all that.
Okay, just watch me. Just do exactly what I'm showing you.
I need you to start
No,
over.
you can just watch and do what I'm doing, okay?
Well, I need you to
So notice how 1 foot is off the ground.
that you just said.
Notice how 1 foot is off the ground. Both knees are straight. My toes are pointed out. My hands are at my sides and I'm looking down at my foot. This is all you have to do for 30 seconds. Do you see this? Do you see what I'm doing, Miss Gilbert?
I'm not doing this.
You're not doing it? All right. You're being placed under arrest for driving under the influence.
Okay.
After 20 minutes of refusal, officers finally arrest the 27-year-old.
And as well as obstructing an officer as well. All right, let's go over here.
Camera on, right?
Yep, we got 4 cameras out here.
Well, you didn't remember anything, so.
You didn't cooperate, so that's where we're at with that. All right, go ahead and take a seat.
Thank you for watching this real police body cam encounter. Traffic stops can escalate quickly when lawful instructions are ignored. This channel shares footage for education, awareness, and transparency. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.